Thank you, Antlara. I love my smile. Thank you so much for the hard work you put in me. I can feel so much confidence now. I love it here because Antlara people, their communication, they strategize things well. Everything went smooth. Oh my word, this is amazing. Doctor, you are amazing. Wow. Thank you so much, guys. I love it.
Okay.
Oh my God, I love it. Perfect. Oh, all right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I can't stop smiling. The hotel is amazing. I loved my stay. It is close to the beach. I had a moment to enjoy my summer here in Antalya. It's actually a beautiful city, and thank you so much, guys. The way you are so professional, caring, it has overwhelmed me. I'm loving every moment. Thank you for the big smile.